Good morning, students. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. To continue that locomotion and movement, introduction is completed. Next one, the muscle structure is completed. After that, skeletal muscle, the examination of the skeletal muscle. For example, the skeletal muscle. What is the location of the skeletal muscle? The location of the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles always associated, connected, the bone connected with the muscle. Muscle is connected with bone. It is nothing but a tendon. For example, the muscles always, the skeletal muscles always exist in the form of bundle. For example, the skeletal muscle, it is placed, this muscle tissue is placed on the glass slide. The glass slide is placed on under the microscope. That is after the observation of the skeletal muscle. What are the structures? How they were arrangement? How this looks like the skeletal muscle looks like. If you observe the skeletal muscle, the structure of the skeletal muscle or examination of the skeletal muscle. Examination of the skeletal muscle. Examination of the skeletal muscle. The muscle always exists in the form of bundle. The skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle means, if you observe the skeletal muscle, the bone always connected to the muscle. Bone always connected to the muscle. The muscle, skeletal muscle, always exists in the form of bundle. Is a skeletal muscle? Is a muscle. Muscle. The muscle means cytoplasm of the muscle. The cross striations. Muscle is a muscle. Muscle always connected to the bone. Is a skeletal muscle. The transverse section of this muscle. Transverse section of skeletal muscle. Transverse section of this muscle. Transverse section of this muscle. Transverse section of this muscle. This muscle, it is placed on the glass slide. After the glass slide is placed on under the microscope, these muscles are observed under the microscope. What are the arrangement of this muscle? If you observe the transverse section of this muscle. How they will arrange it. If you observe the muscle, the skeletal muscle, the muscles are placed on the microscope. This muscle, the entire muscle, it is protected by the entire muscle is protected by the muscle is consists of number of bundles. The muscle is consists of number of bundles. Muscle consists of muscle bundles. The entire skeletal muscle, it is composed of number of muscle bundles. Muscle bundles. The entire skeletal muscle is composed of muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are also known as muscle fasciculi. Muscle fasciculi. What is the other name of the muscle bundle? Muscle fasciculi. This entire muscle bundles, it is composed of muscle. This entire muscle bundles again consist of muscle fibers. Muscle fibers. Muscle fibers. This muscle fiber are also nothing but muscle cell. Nothing but muscle cell. The muscle fibers are indicated. Each muscle fiber is indicated muscle cell. Each muscle fiber, number of the muscle, each muscle fiber is consist of, each muscle fiber is consist of, each muscle fibers, each muscle fibers, each muscle fibers consist of, each muscle fiber consist of, each muscle fiber is consist of myofilaments. Myofilaments. These myofilaments are nothing but thick filaments and thin filaments. Thick filaments, thin filament. For example, it is a skeletal muscle or muscle. The skeletal muscle is composed of number of muscle bundles. This number of muscle bundles is consist of muscle fibers. The number of muscle fibers is consist of myofilaments. These myofilaments are nothing but thick filaments and thin filaments. Thick filaments and thin filaments is a C1C. We are understanding the simple language. I will write here C1C is a skeletal muscle. Is a in our skeletal. This is a muscle. See here. Is a skeletal muscle. Muscle. In our muscle. The entire muscle, it is composed of, this entire muscle is composed of number of muscle bundles. The entire skeletal muscle is composed of muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are also known as a muscle, what is the other name? Muscle fasciculi. Muscle bundles are also known as a muscle fasciculi. This entire muscle bundles, entire muscle bundles, each muscle bundles consist of number of muscle fibers, muscle fibers. This muscle fibers consist of myofilaments. Consist of myofilaments. The entire muscle consists of It is made up of number of muscle bundles, are also known as a muscle fasciculum. This number of muscle bundles, it is consist of muscle fibers. Each muscle fiber, it is indicate muscle cell. It is indicate muscle cell. Each muscle fiber is composed of myofilaments. The myofilaments means thick filament and thin filament. Thick filament and thin filament. This muscle, it is placed on the microscope. This muscle, it is placed on the microscope. This muscle is placed on the microscope. The muscle is placed on the microscope. See, the muscle is placed on the muscle observed under the microscope. The muscle observed under the microscope. The muscle observed under the microscope. What is the arrangement? What are the structures present in the muscles? If you observe the muscle, see, it is a examination of the muscle. What is the first one? Muscle. This one, muscle. This entire muscle, it is protected by the, covered by the, this entire muscle is protected by the, covered by the, is known as a perimysium. This one, perimysium. The entire muscle is protected by the perimysium. If you observe the muscle, this entire muscle, it is consist of number of muscle bundles. The entire muscle is consist of number of muscle bundles. The number of muscle bundles. The entire muscle is protected by the perimysium. This entire muscle is consists of number of muscle bundles. What is this one? Muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are also known as, this muscle bundle are also known as a muscle fasciculi. Muscle fasciculi. What is the other name of the muscle bundle? Muscle fasciculi. This entire muscle bundles, the entire muscle bundles, each muscle bundle, it is protected by the, entire muscle bundles are protected by the, entire muscle bundles are covered by the, entire muscle bundles are covered by the, entire, each muscle bundle is protected by the, the entire muscle is protected by the, epimysium. What is this one? Epimysium. Epimysium, it is the made up of connective tissue. It is made up of connective tissue. The entire muscle is protected by the epimysium. The entire muscle bundles are protected by the perimysium. Perimysium. Also connective tissue. It is made up of connective tissue. each muscle bundle, it is consist of number of each muscle bundle is consist of number of muscle fibers, number of muscle fibers. Each muscle bundle consists of number of each muscle bundle is consist of number of muscle fibers, each muscle fiber, it is indicate muscle cell. Each muscle fibers, it is protected by each muscle fiber, it is protected by the each muscle fiber, it is protected by the each muscle fiber, it is protected by the endomysium. Endomysium. Each muscle bundles fibers is protected by the endomysium. Protected by the endomysium. It's also connective tissue. So, connective tissue, endomysium. Each muscle fiber, it is consist of thick filaments and thin filaments. Each muscle fiber consists of myofilaments, thick filaments and thin filaments. The examination of the skeletal muscle. The muscle, it is placed under the microscope. Observe under the microscope. This muscle, the skeletal in our muscle, is placed under the microscope. The entire muscle, it is entire muscle, protected by the, what is the tissue? Epimysium. It is nothing but connective tissue. This entire muscle is consists of number of muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are also known as a muscle fasciculi. This muscle bundles, it is protected by the perimysium. It is also connective tissue. Each muscle bundles, it is consist of muscle fibers. Each muscle fibers is protected by the or covered by the endomysium. Each muscle fiber, it is consist of myofilaments, thick filaments and thin filaments. Thick filaments is known as myosin. Thin filaments, it is known as actin. The myosin and actin filaments are present in the cytoplasma of the muscle cell. See once here, examination of the muscle. What is the first one? Epimysium. What is the first one? Muscle. What is this one? Muscle. The muscle is placed on the microscope. After placed on the microscope, observe this skeletal muscle. The first one, the muscle, it is protected by the muscle is protected by or covered by. The muscle is protected by covered by the epimysium. The muscle consists of number of muscle consists of muscle consists of the muscle is made up of consists of number of muscle bundles. Number of muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are also known as a fasciculi. Muscle fasciculi. Nothing but muscle bundle. What is other name? This each muscle bundle, it is protected by muscle bundle. Muscle bundle protected by muscle bundle protected by muscle bundle protected by perimysium. Perimysium. Each muscle bundle the muscle entire muscle is protected covered by the epimysium. First one, this each muscle, it is consists of number of muscle bundles. This number of muscle bundles are nothing but fascicular. This each muscle bundle, it is protected by each muscle bundle is protected by each muscle bundle is protected by the each muscle bundle is protected by the perimysium. Each muscle bundle is protected by the perimysium. Each muscle bundle is consist of each muscle bundle is consist of each muscle bundle consists of each muscle bundle is consist of muscle fibers. It is nothing but muscle cell. Muscle fiber, it is each muscle fiber is indicated muscle cell. Each muscle cell or each muscle fiber or each muscle cell is protected by the endomysium. Each muscle fiber or each muscle cell is protected by the endomysium. Each muscle fiber is consist of myofilaments. Thick myofilaments, thin myofilaments. Thick myofilaments, thin myofilaments. Thick myofilaments, myosin. Thin myofilaments, actin. Thick proteins and thin proteins both are present in cytoplasma of the each muscle fiber or each muscle cell. Each muscle fiber or each muscle cell.